Welcome. Today we're going to show you how to fix we detected unusual activity on your account and have blocked it temporarily. So if you have this issue on Amazon Prime, it's actually very easy to lift the hold or lock on your account. So the first thing that you need to do is to open Amazon Prime and see if you still have this issue. So you need to log into your account and see if the unusual activity notification pop up on your account. So after that, to lift the hold, actually you need to follow the Amazon steps to regain access to an account on hold. So Amazon says to regain access to your Amazon account, you need to check your email or text messages for an account on hold notification. So Amazon will send you the email after they lock your account and will give you the steps to unlock the account. So first you need to sign into your Amazon account and complete the form and include necessary attachments. So they may ask you actually for your ID to verify your identity, or they may ask you for more details. After they verify your identity and the details that you give them, they will unlock your account, and that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.